Apple is quietly preparing an update to the Vision Pro, and the timing suggests we could see it before the end of 2025. The first generation, unveiled at WWDC 2023 and launched in early 2024, was marketed as Apple's bold step into mixed reality with AR and VR capabilities. It impressed with performance thanks to the M2 chip paired with the R1 Motion coprocessor, but at $3,500, it was too expensive for mass adoption. Despite expansions into more countries through 2024 and 2025, sales haven't matched expectations, with price being the biggest barrier. That reality sets the stage for the next generation, though expectations need to stay grounded. Apple isn't lowering the price, and the design will almost certainly remain unchanged. The real changes will happen inside. According to recent leaks, Apple plans to replace the M2 with the much faster and more efficient M5 chip, alongside the possibility of an upgraded R2 chip for motion and eye tracking. This would bring the Vision Pro closer to Apple's latest silicon roadmap, where the M5, expected to be based on the breakthroughs introduced with the M4, delivers both higher performance and better energy efficiency. That shift matters, as battery life is one of the most criticized aspects of the first-gen device. The new chip is also expected to maintain a 10-core CPU split between 6 efficiency and 4 performance cores, while GPU performance could see an upgrade from 10 cores to possibly 12, continuing the trend Apple started with the M2. Alongside these improvements, a more powerful neural engine, likely borrowing advancements from the A19 Pro, could give the headset far greater AI and machine learning capability, directly boosting tasks like real-time rendering, eye tracking, and gesture recognition. Memory is also expected to receive an upgrade, with configurations moving up to 16 GB and possibly 24 GB of unified RAM. This makes a difference for professional use cases, fields like medical training, high-end design, and scientific visualization, where lag or delays can't be tolerated. For consumers, efficiency gains mean lighter workloads like streaming, gaming, or multitasking will feel smoother and more responsive. The jump from M2 to M5 is a significant generational leap, so even without a hardware redesign, the Vision Pro would feel much faster, cooler, and more efficient than its predecessor. Release timing, however, is less certain. Reports conflict between the late 2025 launch and a possible delay into 2026. The key factor is the R2 chip. Some leaks suggest it won't be ready until 2026, which could force Apple to either hold back or ship with a transitional solution. Still, the most consistent expectation is a fall 2025 debut, likely October, aligning with the iPad Pro refresh that will also use the M5. For pricing, don't expect relief. Apple is set to hold the Vision Pro at $3,500, positioning it as a premium device rather than a mainstream product. Unless Apple shifts strategy, this will keep it in the same niche as before.